guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying out a face of new makeup. I was just thinking, you know, what's come out recently that I could talk about in this video. My lashes. Look at this. I have here my 3 sets of Tatti lashes. I'm so excited about these. I'm going to show on the screen what all the styles are like because I know I've actually not spoken about it here on YouTube yet. If you didn't know, I have a collaboration with Tatti lashes and these are them. So TL Jamie ones are gorgeous, long, fluffy, wispy lashes. They are super long, which I love. TL2 are, again, they're all really fluffy and wispy. They're all foam ink as well, 3D foam ink. I think I want to use these ones today, you know. And then TL Jamie 3, these ones are, I actually love these as well. I don't know how to wear these. These ones are a little bit more dense, they're a bit more black and a bit thicker. So these are amazing with an eye look like this. I think today we're going to do TL Jamie 2. Wait until you see these on. I'm not going to do a half lash today. I want my lashes to be quite big. I just feel like this is the first time I've done something super glam in ages. And I'm going to go in with my Tatti glue. Tatti Genevieve glue, no less. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much to everyone that's supported them already. And I'm so loving seeing everyone's looks. I'm just gluing my lash up. I'm not being rude, not looking at you. I'm so proud of them. And it makes me so happy to know that you guys like them. So this is a cheeky one. Technically this is a new product, but have I worn them before? Yes, I've been wearing these for flipping ages. Okay, lashes are on. I think this is one of the first times I've shown these without any liner on as well, so I just think they look so nice and fluffy and drama, but still just nice. They're like absolutely not plastic or anything. I'm just obsessed with them. So you guys, that is the finished look. Bye!